Welcome in, Renegades. And this is crazy. This will change crypto forever. And it's on the internet computer, ICP. And what I'm talking about is right now in the traditional financial sector, especially where I live, Amazon Web Services is a big entity here. But let's talk about Google, these big entities like Amazon Web Services and Google. And we couldn't have the system that we have today without Google. Everything is great, but the thing is, the new advancements in technology are Web3 focused, right? And so the thing with that is you're able to search up anything on Google, right? You can search basically anything that somebody has posted something for or put out there on the internet. Well, in Web3, you have things called dapps, which you have like the Google Play Store, right? You can go on there and you can search up apps that you can download on your phone, and you can interact with those apps through the Google Play or the Apple Store. And so the thing is, we have a need for some kind of a search engine or some kind of a directory, kind of like a Google Play Store, Apple Store, Google search engine on Web3, so that we can find all of our dapps that we want to use, decentralized exchanges, DeFi that we want to use, or just other games, anything that you can build on Web3, you're going to need a search engine for. And so with the world computer idea, I can see cross-chain collaboration and integration with this kind of system that Querio.io has and Kinic, these kind of Web3 search engines on the internet computer. The cool thing with the CKETH integration coming up and the CKBTC is that now if there is like a dApp on Ethereum, it doesn't really count as much for Bitcoin unless it's already on the internet computer. So let's just say Ethereum, for instance. You will be able to search any of the dApps across ICP, Ethereum, any ERC20 token dApp that you would possibly need if these search engines integrate with the same system that the internet computer is going to. That is probably a good step forward for them to do. We're going to look at Querio today. We're going to look at the website. We're going to go in and see. Maybe I'll buy tokens. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. We'll see. And there's also big news as well. I have some developer news that's huge. That it's just going to show you the internet computer is going to change the landscape of Web3 and everything forever. And we need these decentralized search engines that are going to help us interact with these dApps that we're trying to use on a larger scale, especially when it becomes a huge board of just thousands and thousands of dApps like Ethereum with all the ERC20 tokens. Imagine that on the internet computer. So what is up, motivational sub? Yes, smash that like button and subscribe, please. Our last videos have done great. Thank you guys. We've hit over 50 likes on our last video. If we could get 100 likes, that would be the most I ever got on a live stream before. I'm not saying we have to do it today, but today would be the day for that. But we just have a lot of news. I've been working all day, got home, fed the cat, and then made the video. He's actually in the kennel because he was playing in his water. He went in there by himself. He knew he messed up. So, but we have a lot of news, so we need to get into this. I just wanted to lay a foundation, but this is going to be an incredible video today. So definitely watch till the end. So I thought this was very important. I was searching things today. Shout out to Hero Protagonist the other day. I believe he was the one who mentioned Elna. We'll look into that in a minute. But right now, I want to get into some pretty crucial stuff going on the internet computer. And this is the internet computer was ranked 12th among the top 200 crypto ecosystems in terms of full-time developers and 11th in terms of total monthly active developers. Developer activity for the internet computer grew 94% year over year, the second fastest rate for blockchains with more than 100 full-time developers. Now, I want to let you know that this was in 2022, and it was talking about from 2021 to 2022. And we're actually going to look at this, and then we're going to see if it is still only 12 and 11, or where it moved up to, or what it's doing now, or closer to now at least. So this is ecosystems with 100 plus full-time developers. StarkNet is up over 243%. Internet Computer is up 94%. Cardano is up 14%. And Tizo stayed flat. So as you see, StarkNet is rising pretty much. Internet Computer developer activity is, starting to do really good. That means it has between 50 and 100 developers. And if it is blue, it's 101 to 300. So it looks like there's 100 full-time developers. So they just need one more and they can get to that part. So total developer activity, full-time, part-time, and one-time developers grew 48%, third most of all blockchains with more than 300 total developers. Wow. Okay, that's these ones. So ICP 48%. Whoa. So, and they have the 100 still, I believe. I see Internet Computer. Where is it? Wow. Do they have over 300? Wait, what? Okay, total developer activity, and this is ecosystems with 100. Okay, and how much they grew. Okay, so we got that. Wow, and that's activity since 2018, and it's grown 40x since then. The ecosystem activity for ICP only started after May 2021, and the developers working on it have 40x'd. That is crazy, which indicates that Internet Computer is one of the youngest chains to reach these high developer activity metrics. This is why I am in on the Internet Computer for the next bull run and the one after, and maybe the one after, who knows. This is just beautiful though. But let's look at where it's at now. This is 2022. So wait, Internet Computer is now top 5 in developer activity. 7 months ago. So from 2022 to 2023, we went from 12 and then 11 for whatever else that was. So that's crazy. Data shows Internet Computer has recently managed to break into the top 5 of the development activity list. I'd like to see where they're at now. Here's what this may mean. Internet Computer development activity has surged recently. According to data from on-chain analytics firm Santiment, Hedera HBR has also entered into the top 5 during the same period. The development activity is a measure of the total amount of work that the developers of a cryptocurrency project are doing on the public GitHub page of said project. Now, I think we did talk about Santiment before and how Internet Computer has been rated really well. And so we did go over this a while ago, but this is different sources saying the same thing, like different publications. This one over here, Medium. This was a Definity post. This is Bitcoinist. Who is this? Kashiv Verma. So this indicator keeps track of this work using units of events, where an event corresponds to any action made on the GitHub page, like pushing a commit or creating an issue. So that's how they gauge the development activity. It's unique to Santiment's metrics. And it's an accurate representation of the actual work that developers are getting done. Not just like, oh, there's a bunch of developers there, but they're not really doing the work. No, these guys are getting it done. So it would simply use the total number of commits for this purpose. A true picture would not be obtained. So they're actually, putting the commit, creating issues, having to actually have some weight behind it. The reason behind that is any commits made on a project carry over to all its forks, the clones as well, meaning that a developer who wasn't on the original project forks it, All the work done there will also be countered under the new developer's name, despite not being responsible for it. In Sentiment's develop activity indicator, this is no longer a problem, as the entire action of the forking counts as just one event. So this is really cool. And the Bitcoin halving is coming up April of next year. So definitely keep an eye on that. And before we move on, let's see if there's anything else here. Polkadot, Kusama, and Cardano still fastest developing assets. Crack the top 5. Okay. But let's see. Yeah, Internet Computers number 5. Polkadot, Kusama. Cardano is still up there. Okay. But it hasn't grown. So a lot of developers are still on Cardano, but as you saw, it only grew about 14%. And the same time, Internet Computer grew 94%. I like Cardano, but I think the Internet Computer has piqued the interest of developers across the world. So Hedera and Internet Computer are new entrants in the top 5. Nice. Okay. But I want to show you guys something to make you a little money real quick. Because, hey, what's up, everybody? Justin's here, man. You do say that you're going to be in late sometimes, but I'm going to show you guys something how to make money. I made, what, $40 today. Unfortunately, like 20 of it was on Arbitrum. Like there's a thing to do on Coinbase. I made like $20 or something on the Coinbase app. Like they have quests where you can stake the graph, but it's on Arbitrum. It cost me $3 in Ethereum. And you can do this, but you'll just end up with like Arbitrum Graph and Arbitrum Ethereum. And to bridge it, it costs like $25. That's why you need integration. Then I can just trade it right over, boom, Internet Computer fees. I would be able to get that $20 out. Now it's going to cost me $25 in order to get, and you can't even do under 20. You have to have like $50 on there or something. Like my $20 wasn't enough to do it. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to make some money. Hopefully it's on your Coinbase too. I'm going to show you my direct Coinbase, but I also made $24 on Vera. This was legit. I was able to do every task, and it didn't, like, you have to stake 150 Vera after they give it to you on the learn to earn. So I want to go into this because this made me money today, and hopefully you guys can do it too, because the whole point of me making videos so we make money together. Oh, the Vera thing is gone now. It's not on here. But I'll show you. I just, let's see, I'll show you. Receive Vera. Today, I made a bunch. I did, what did I send? Yeah, I had to send some to stake it. They gave me like $5 here. So see if it's on your Coinbase. Basically, they make you download this sub wallet. I don't know why they took it off my thing. That's really weird. But as you see, I have 182 Vera over here now, $10. And then I have the $12 over there. And then I think like I sent some somewhere. I might have traded it for something. I don't know. But I made like $24 off of that. And then on the Coinbase app, I'll show you on that. Coinbase wallet app, not the Coinbase app, but the Coinbase wallet, the non-custodial wallet. You go here to browser. And it'll say graph here too, but as you see, if I mint an NFT on Opta, this one isn't worth it. $5 probably going to cost you more to do that. And then there's these other ones, learn to swap, so swap. That one might be worth it. You need Ethereum for all of these, as well as the graph one. But if you have $3 in Ethereum, you want like $24 in the graph on Arbitrum. I don't know what you're going to do with it, but $24, man, it might cost you $3 in Ethereum for $24 on Arbitrum. I don't know. It's up to you. But that's a way to make money. At least the Vera one, that one worked out for me today. I made $24 on that one. So yeah. Anyway, let's get into, thank you, Hero Protagonist, for this, because I was searching the Dfinity Developer Forum thanks to your suggestion. I forgot about this. I don't know how, but this is a good forum. I'm probably going to be doing more content from this. But wow, that thing. Okay. Elna is in full bloom. Canisters activated, Sonic Boost engaged, ICP grant greenlit, and beyond. So this is tight. This has a big ramification crypto wide. The way that they're doing things, introducing AI into smart contracts, is unprecedented. No other blockchain has done it. No other blockchain can do it, as far as I'm concerned, as far as I know. And if you know of one, let me know, and we will discuss that at length. But the deployment of their Sonic support signifies their commitment to responsive and innovative user interaction, hitting the bullseye in the chaos. So this is cool. They had a space that they did, pretty interesting. They did up their Twitter spaces where they dived in the current scenario of a war cry to keep AI decentralized. I actually believe I was on that one. See myself on there. I don't know. A massive shout out to the Internet Computer Project for approving our grant. This support marks a significant milestone in our pursuits of thriving as a groundbreaking platform that marries the expansive capabilities of generative AI with the revolutionary attributes of the Internet Computer ICP blockchain. Elna stays faithful to crafting an ecosystem where accessibility, privacy, and innovation are not just features, but foundational pillars. So they have integrated the ICP wallet login, system design documentation, proof of concept. They've taken the leap into the future with the Web3 proof of concept that confirms the feasibility of basic conversational AI functionalities. It's not just a concept, it's a reality. So the UI design presentation, simplicity meets accessibilities, and our initial UI design, democratizing the AI experience, and our user interface reflects just that. Elna Core Canister Framework. Let's see, can we click on that? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. So Elna Token Canister, front end canister, wizard canister, wizard name prompt, greeting, vector location avatar, chat canister, interface engine canister, vector embedding, document vector embedding, query vector embedding. Okay, data upload, wizard creation, user over here. So that's cool. Cool. I can't wait to see what they do with this. AI bot creation capabilities. Unleash your creativity. We're introducing capabilities for users to create and customize their AI bots. Okay. That way, I mean, this is good for developers. If there's like a tedious job that needs to be done that AI could take care of, that would probably speed up the development of whatever they're creating. So this is cool. This will be good if it's for developers. Wow. Pretty cool. Elna they're just banging it out. They're banging banger after banger. They're just knocking them out the park. Shout out Elna. I don't know why I said Etna. So I don't know a whole lot about Bitcoin ordinals, but I know they're fire. I know that basically it's like an NFT on the Bitcoin blockchain, but it can't be sold on a marketplace. Wait, marketplace. So it can be sold on a marketplace. Why don't I follow that? I want to have Bob Bodley on the channel to discuss this one day, because I want to know exactly what an ordinal is compared to an NFT. Because I heard that you can't really move them from wallet to wallet. So I'm not 100% sure how this marketplace would work. Layer 2 sidechain. Okay, that's a lot like Arbitrum, Layer 2 sidechain. But you could get your money back off the Internet Computer. You can't do it off of Arbitrum. Like what kind of can I sell it for cash at least somewhere? How do I exit out of Arbitrum? It's only for the rich people, I guess. Anyway, Bionic uses ICP's Bitcoin Layer 2 capabilities, which is going to be ICP fees, so you'll be able to move anything from one chain to another without breaking the bank. Or if you get paid $24 to do a bounty, you should be able to get the bounty money that you get instead of having it just be held captive, unless you put like 50 more bucks in, and then it's going to cost you the 25 bucks you just made for the fee. So it doesn't yet. Okay. Anyway, ICP is the way to go, and that's why The fees. I mean, what is up with all the fees everywhere? Offers the world's fastest ordinals marketplace with a built-in wallet and no network transaction or gas fees. Oh, yes. Wow. I honestly didn't read that. That just worked out very perfectly. Yeah. Wow. That was kind of cool. No transaction or gas fees. Looks like I'm having it today. So anyway, the plug wallet. This is, you can see it in my browser right here. Plug right here. Got that one. Introducing the all-new Plug Wallet iOS app. The moment we've all been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. We're beyond thrilled to announce the launch of our brand new Plug Wallet for iOS. So they had it for Android, but now they have the Plug Wallet for iOS. And I hope they, bring all the capabilities that you can have on the browser extension in the mobile wallet. So maybe we'll do a review on the, maybe we'll do a top 5 wallet again, or just, as many wallets as we can fit into a video. Just whatever wallets are used the most by people. Those are the ones that I want to report on, because those are the ones people want to use. So, but new ones too are welcome. But yeah, so the update, you can download that, or the version 1.0 there. You can go to the Apple Store, look it up, Plug, pretty easy to find. This is big, because you got to have a place to store your ICP, right? Wow, that guy has 20 racks. 20 racks of ICP. That would be nice. So there's another week of ICP Hub roundups. We're just going to dive through this really quickly. There was 200 students with Disruptive Hub. They're just excited to learn about Web3 and blockchain. Internet computers bringing it right to their doorstep. That's the next generation is where it's at. They're the ones who are going to understand the blockchain. And in about 10, probably 10 years from now, we're going to see these young individuals starting their own companies, building on the internet computer, and, bringing crypto into the forefront. So I think they need to teach blockchain in school. I think they need to teach Web3 in school, or at least offer it as a college class. ICP Hub Portugal, once again in full power with Benzinga Crypto's Portugal Blockchain Report. So we already went through this one. This was a beautifully written paper on the internet computer in Portugal. You can check out my last video if you want to see. I think it was 2 videos ago. I don't know. You gotta check it out. It should be in the description though of the video. ICP Hub Malaysia partnered with the Institute of Visual Informatics. Wow, that's a cool word. Visual Informatics. The hub will be working closely with UKM Consortium to revolutionize research and innovation in blockchain technology. So shout out ICP Hub Malaysia. You guys rock. All of you around the world, disruptives, keep bringing it. Over 200 attendees. Disruptives, I think, is Thailand. Over 200 attendees were at ICP.Hub Hong Kong launch event, a balanced collection of centralized exchanges, VCs, and developers attended. See, this is big. Hey, was that Herbert? That looked like Herbert. Herbert's the man. Dang, I need to go to Hong Kong. They look like they're having fun. Okay, so we just dipped through that. Dipset. Now, this is what we're going to be talking about. The Querio. Do you have a query? We can answer your query with a Querio. Query. Oh, you have a query. Oh. Anyway, the Querio SNS decentralized sale is live. We're one step closer to becoming a DAO with a minimum criteria of 100 participants and 250K ICP from direct participation. Your participation, your impact. Join us in shaping the future. Querio, hit me up. Hit me up. Any project on the internet computer that's going SNS, hit me up. We could do a AMA. We could do a TMZ. We could do a YMCA, anything you want. anything you want. But yeah, they are launching their project. Let's take a look at it first. This is what I was talking about when I first started. You can search for dapps now on Web3. So just Google, right? We go over here. We have a Google search engine, right? This is the main. This is like when you open your computer, you want to look for something. This is where you go. You might already have them on here, but you can only have like so many here, you know? So, but this is going to be your go-to place. Google. It has all your stuff here, has what you can, whatever you want to search. You can see what I just searched, I guess. But yeah. So what do we want to search for? What about DGDG? Anything? Okay. Let's try DG Gastonia. D Gastonia. Okay. Well, that didn't work. Let's try something else. Let's try. Can we search Kinic? That would just. Oh my God, that's funny. If you guys don't understand why I'm laughing, because this is hilarious, because I just searched up one search engine with the other search engine of the two that are on ICP. Oh, dude, that's funny. Let's check out Kinic on Querio. So boom. So you can search Web3 over here. But this Querio looks like it's mainly dapps. It looks like you can just search kind of anything Web3 on the internet. I think it's kind of the same thing. Yeah, pretty much the same thing. Pretty much the same thing. But that's funny. We're on Kinic through Querio now. It looks like Kinic is completely on chain though. Querio looks like it is still on Web 2. So that's something to note, that it's a little bit different than Kinic so far. I think they're probably going to end up putting it like when you saw we went into here, you saw how it secured it on the internet computer. You see this canister number up here. And that means directly on the blockchain. You can log in with your internet identity. That's pretty cool. And so hopefully Querio, when they become a DAO, have that in their plans. That's funny. That's just hilarious. I had to do that. Let's see. Let's look up like a decentralized exchange. Let's try Sonic. Can we find Sonic? Yeah, right on. Okay. This works pretty well then. Right on. And then what? You can just go into that. Yeah, right into it. Yeah, that's cool. See that? We need this. If we're going to have Web3, we're going to need Web3 search engines, right? I mean, come on. So that's all of Web3, or is it just, wait, so this is just ICP. So it looks like you can search all of Web3 or only ICP? No way. So let's try to search something on Ethereum. OpenSea. Can we search OpenSea? No way. Wait, open name. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, wait. There it is. Open Bicey? No, you don't want that one. Near. Okay, hold on. Let's try one word. OpenSea. Access denied? What? Okay. Maybe I don't understand. Let's try Uniswap. I'm trying to get what's going on here. So Uniswap. Okay, yeah, Uniswap. So there you go. I'm not 100%. Maybe OpenSea isn't a dApp? I don't know. But let's see. Go right to Uniswap or what? Yeah. But this isn't a dApp either. Or it's not a dApp the way the internet can. I think it is a dApp, but I think it's a different kind of dApp. It's like a dApp that's not. Maybe it's stored. on like a cloud or something, but it's on the blockchain. I don't know, man. Some of the they say they're dapps, but are you really a dapp? Where's your canister number? Yeah, I'm just really suspicious, but this is cool. This is pretty cool. You can go right in it, Uniswap, or you could just search on ICP and let's just say ICP swap. You want to go trade crypto. Boom, ICP swap, and then it'll just take you right to ICP swap. Boom. Okay, cool. See, we need this. Anything you're wanting to look for. So here is this. I don't know if I'm going to participate today, but if you wanted to, I can show you how. I don't know if you can see this, but you just need a VPN. You can go to Proton VPN, or you can pay for one if you don't want it to track your movement. But if you're in US, I don't know where that is, but these places. Probably North Korea, Syria, Iran. I don't know. Myanmar. I don't know why Myanmar would be there, but MM. But yeah, so it looks like I just don't have enough. I want to participate. I do. I'm not gonna lie, because I like what they're doing. I think their project, we need it. It's important for the ecosystem to have Kinic, to have Querio, to have two of them, to see which one, when things really take off for the internet computer, is going to be the go-to one. Because Querio could come back from behind, or Kinic could just keep trucking along. So these are the things we got to understand. 9,301 so far. There is 11 days left. Direct participants have already been 164, and they only need 100 participants here. So minimum commitment is going to be 100,000 ICP. I mean, in right now in that price, you're talking about almost $500,000, $450,000. Yeah, about $450,000. Oh no, 200. Hold on. Oh, that's the maximum participant. Hold on. So they need 250,000. So you're talking over $1 million that they need to raise. And they've already raised, let's see, about 40 grand, 40 some grand. Not too bad, 48 grand. Let's see, 36. Yeah, they raised probably around 40 grand, close to 40 grand. So it ends on December 10th. You can come over here. All you got to do is go to the launchpad here, sign in, and you can directly participate. I think that is something that you would have a lot of fun doing. So if that's what you want to do, I think I might. It just depends like how. I'm glad they're here for 11 days, because today I went to work and I made money, but I bought some brisket for food, and so I didn't make very much money today because I spent it on food. But that's my own fault. Maybe tomorrow I'll make more money, and I can come, put some of my ICP that I have here and just take some of that money and put it where I need it. But I'll figure out a way. Just still trying to get through the bear market like everybody. So, but I'm a lot better off than I was. Trust me. And thanks to you guys, my channel's making money now too on these views. So thank you. Smash that like, subscribe, help me make more money on YouTube for free for you. It's free to you. All you got to do is give me a little bit of your time, a little push of a button. Watch till the end. That's it. Wait, what did I just do to the chart here? Okay, let's just reset this page real quick because I have no clue what just happened here. I only have 9% charge on my battery. Okay, so we do have a drop in price, but we're still right around the $50 million volume mark. We are starting to decline in volume, which is telling me that the market is starting to cool off just a little bit. It is down about 10% on 9%. The total market cap is still over 2 billion, and it actually moved up 2 places from 35 to 33. So not only are we moving from 11 and 12 respectively, right, to number 5, we are also moving from number 35 to number 33. We're the most developer activities, GitHub commits, just so many different indicators that are telling us the internet computer, wow, this thing is just not going to stop doing that. I don't care. I wish there was a way to mute that thing. That's really starting to irritate me. But yeah, let's go look at. Let's see. I don't need anything over there. Okay. Let's go look at some stuff over here. Let's see if this thing will even. Let's move this up. So the technicals are saying that it's buy internet computer right now. Even though we're at 450, because why? This is a real big support level that goes way back to a massive breakdown. And if we're able to claim this level as support now from a big breakdown level, then that could stop us from free falling back down to $4. So that I think that's why it's saying buy right now at 450. This is probably a good place to hold support. If we do hold support, you can make a profit. If it goes down, you just dollar cost average in. But on the week, we're about 2% up. On the month, we're 12%. 3 months, we're 35%. The year to date this year is 15%, and 1 year 14%. So unless you bought 6 months ago, you're in the profit right now. Basically is what that's saying. So week, month, 3 month, year to date, or year, you would be in the profit. You're winning big. Internet computer is a really good buy right now. Not financial advice, but this is the crypto. This is why I tell you all this news, so that we understand what the crypto is doing that we're putting our money into. Because I know the value of money. Okay, I'm not just a person like that $15 brisket. I knew that I was going to have to cut back on something else so I could have a $15 brisket, and it was really good. It was worth it. But I'm just saying, you got to understand what you're doing. That's how Warren Buffett became a billionaire, because he understood patience over, man, I want to make $1 million 100x overnight. Or you could buy in the bear market, wait tops 2 years, 2.5, 3 years for the top of the market, and then you just made 10 to 50x, 100x your money in 2 years. And that's more likely. That's probably like a 1% chance of happening. You making 100x overnight is like trying to hit the lottery. It's going to be like 1,000,000,000 to 1 odds. You could do it. People hit the lottery all the time. Not very many people though. It's very rare. And if you think you're going to be one of them, go play the lottery. But if you want to make money, then crypto, if you understand how the market moves and you're willing to have patience, is how you're going to do that. Not financial advice, common sense at that point. But anyway, we have some resistance here, right at about 451, 452, which is why we are kind of getting rejected right here. This box area is kind of a big support or resistance level. We got back above it, but then we ended up getting back below it. This is kind of a pretty big level. We either break up or break down from this level right here on the short term. And the crazy part is, like, from 440 to 5 to, I would say, even up here, 457. This area is the massive breakdown area. If we go back, this is on the daily, but if we go back to the weekly, you're going to see the massive burst. So you see the one on here, even from here to here, but I will show you on the weekly. So this area over here, and I say from like 440, 457. So this, as you see, I've showed you this a couple times, but now you can see it on the big scale, and then you can see it on the smaller scale as we held that support. Actually, you can see it on the weekly, how we held this support level and broke down into this support level. We could have had a nice little bull flag happening here, and we still could if we end the week back up above 457. And then I think, let's see where this closed, 465, 450. So yeah, so if we get above 450, 465. Okay, 465, 458. So yeah, if we get in that area at, I would say 458 and above, then we're going to be able to possibly have a bull flag and then see us move this big move to 621, like I showed you before. So this is still a possibility. But this area right here, let's go back to the daily so we can look at it again a little better. And it's going to be a very important level, not only on the daily, but on the weekly, as you see. This level from like 451 up to 453, or 458, sorry. 451 to 458. It's going to be a big level because the breakup, breakdown, resistance, test, big breakdown, breakup, test, 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 breakdown, test, breakdown, test, test. Now a breakdown test, we'll see where we get. So, and we could go up too. We could have a breakout smash. And that's the cool thing, because even on the short term, we could blast up. And then if we can get above this 473 mark right here, then we could really have this bull flag play out, even if it takes like a week. You know, the end of this week, we are on Wednesday right now. So we have until Sunday to get above 458. And then we could have some sort of a bull flag pattern happening here. And you can even see it on the smaller time frame. If you, here, I'm going to actually do lines. Let's just get rid of all the, I don't really want to get rid of them because it shows you all the levels that I tell you. And then afterwards, it kind of plays out. I like to leave it there. So maybe you can just follow along with me, hopefully. Let's see. Maybe I can get rid of some of them. Yeah, I'm just going to leave them. But we will do a line from right here. You can see what I'm doing pretty clearly. This line to over here. Then we get this line, which will actually, let's get rid of that one. We can get rid of this top one so that I can show you the line better. So then we have this, and this is a flag. Okay, let's actually get rid of this one too. Okay, so this line and this line are parallel. And we have this big run up over here, which is the pole. So we have the flag and we have the pole. And this is on the daily too. So not just the weekly. So I only saw it on the weekly before. Oh man, this is a, hold on, let's do that. That's why I like having a touch screen. And then it connects completely to the flag right there. Or I can actually even do it. Well, no, it's going to have to go right there. So there you have it. You have a bull flag on the daily and the weekly. This is pretty incredible. So we could actually go down to 4. Wow, it's different on this one. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go look. This one, the other one is a lot smaller on the weekly, I thought. Oh, so we could have a bigger bull flag right here, but on the shorter time frame. Okay, I didn't even see that. So if we pull this one down, oh, whoops, what did I just do there? I'm just trying to pull this one down here. Dude, we do have a bull flag right here. So even if we go down to $4, damn, we could be in for some nice stuff going on. And if this trends downwards and this trends upwards, we could have like a bull pennant. So we could have a bull flag, even if we go back down and like hit $4, kind of stay in this range for a while, have this big run up bull flag right here. So that it would bring us to 621 as well. So that's pretty cool. This one doesn't look as good as the daily though, right? That daily one looks like that could actually play out. We don't have to have it matter on the weekly. We already went down and touched 408, and there's big support right here too. I like this. This looks good. Let's see where, I think it's going to bring us to the same level, but let's make sure. So if we break out right here at this point, this would be a breakout point right there. Oh yeah, it actually would bring us up to 640. Yeah. But Yeah, I mean, 640, 643. So that's definitely a possibility. I do want to go back if we're going to go to 643. Let's look at where our resistance would be going back over here. So 480, $5. $5.20, $5.41. This could be an important level because look, there's some support resistance right here, and then a breakdown level, break up level, breakdown level, break up level, breakdown level. See, these are important. Nobody else talks about these levels where there's support and they're a big breakup level or breakdown. Show me somebody else in crypto that talks about that. I actually do want to hear it. I'm not saying that I've never heard anybody. So, but I think I'm giving you like original content here. But this is the level. This is what it would take. And look at this level. Look at this resistance level compared to where this bull flag could go. Now, if this isn't like a little bit of a confirmation, look at that. Resistance, resistance. What did we have a little bit of support over here? Resistance, breakdown level, breakup level. Oh my God, we got it all. Everything that we want to see. That's pretty funny. So anyway, let's get we're oh my God, yeah, I just did too much. We're gonna have to just start over. Did way too much on that one. But we are still above these crucial, and this is on the weekly, these crucial EMAs. The 21 is hold on. Oh yeah, okay. So the 21 is at 404 and the EMA 9 is at 417. So these are going to be acting as support for us. As you see, when we go down, we hit these levels as support, and if we break one, we normally hit the other. So it's really important to have these big two support levels underneath of us. I do want to look where that EMA 50 is at, though. This could be really crucial going forward, this EMA 50. So this is on our way. So as I told you, these levels, we can do them again. We're going to be looking at 480. Whoops, what is going on there? $5. 520. 550. Okay. So then we have this one. Right here. Back here, the breakdown breakup level. And look right where that is. The EMA 50 is right on that breakdown breakup level. That's a little bit weird, don't you think? Like how these lines coincide with the moving averages in these certain specific levels. Like this is a support level, breakthrough level, breakup, breakdown, breakup, breakdown, and then EMA support on the 50. So that's going to be a crucial level to get past on the way up. It's going to be another breakup or breakdown level. And as you see right here on this breakup, breakdown level at, from I would even say 435 all the way up, to 460, like this breakdown, break up level. We've hit support kind of at it. And you could even say it's at like $485. But I would say it's more from 440, which is weird that we didn't just break up. So it doesn't always happen. You can hit support or resistance on a breakup or breakdown level, as you see right here and right here. But most of the time it's a breakup or breakdown. So it doesn't always work out. But when you have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that all do the same thing, all at the same area, it makes you think that, hey, we're at a nice breakup level. And it even could have been from like 420 up to 470. And that's why we kind of plateaued there, and hit the resistance a little bit higher. I think that's what happened. We started to hit the breakout area right here, and then we just hit a big pocket of resistance, and we have enough volume to move. So that's that. So let's look at the smaller time frame, the hour. So it does look like we do have a possible bull flag on the daily, and we could have on the weekly. I've just been kind of watching that just to see if it does turn into a bull flag. But the daily one looks really good. We do have some weird head and shoulders pattern right here. This is kind of a hard chart to read. Because we get like a breakdown W recovery, double top breakdown. But it's all curved and wonky, and you wouldn't really have a neckline. So I'm not going to call that a head and shoulders. So as long as we don't get like another double top like this, boom, go sideways for a while, and then get another double top, pushes down, we're going to be good. We're going to have some nice support. Um, I would say from four. Whoa, whoops! What did I just do? I just changed it. Press the wrong button. Anyway, if we go sideways, we could hit support 440. I'd say 447 is where we could hit some nice support there. If that does break, I see a move at least down to about 443. And this is on the smaller time frame. And then I could see another move back down to 436. So now if we're going to move to the upside, there is going to be significant resistance from 456 all the way. I mean, I'm going to say, yeah, I'm going to say about right here, 460. So this is going to be a big area. It could just push us up a little higher though. Remember again, this is a smaller time frame. We're talking about pennies. So these are levels I would watch. Oops. But this is all resistance. And we have a big area up here that's going to keep it kind of hard for us to do a whole lot. But we can break it with some volume. If we see this volume start to rise again, we could really move. But as long as it stays steady, we're going to see more sideways, more pumping, more going up to 466 and then kind of back down to 450. Like, to be honest with you, I'm not always saying, hey, there's going to be a big price move. We could see those price moves, those levels though. But in the meantime, we might see some sideways action, which is okay at 450. We're not down at 280, nothing else anymore. We're good to go. So I think that's about all we're going to have for today. I've been droning on and talking forever, but oh, dude, the new your picture, one of your guys' pictures. I don't know how that reminded me of dragons, but dragons. Hey, Metal, one of my biggest supporters. He bought 5 NFTs. Thank you. Personal DAO shout out, yo. But anyway, Chief Monetary Officer in the house. But yeah, so just with everything happening in the ecosystem, the price, staying at 450, maybe going sideways for a while, the volume staying steady at 44 million. That's what we need in order to keep and sustain movement, which shows interest, a lot of interest in the Internet Computer Daily. But yeah, things are going to happen in the time that they happen. The people who were in Apple in the beginning probably, went through a bear market or two of their own, and then they became absolute millionaires. So if you guys are with me for the long run, smash the like. Let me know in the comments if you're an ICP holder. We're doing this together. That's why another reason I made videos, because I made so much money in crypto in 2021, and most people in my life wouldn't listen to me. So I wanted to find other people that are interested in crypto, that want to know about it, to learn how to make money. I'm making money on, Web3 bounties sometimes. I don't like to call them, I don't really do a lot of bounties unless they're like legit and easy bounties, then I'll do them. But just make money, like stack away crypto, dollar cost average, stake your ICP. I just cashed out another 15 bucks today. When did I do that on the video last? I just cashed out 15 bucks the other day on video. So it's like, man, 15 bucks here, 15 bucks there. You put in 10,000 ICP, you're going to make like 5-10 bucks a day. So what is that a month? 10 bucks a day, 30, you're making 300 bucks a month doing nothing and holding the crypto until the bull market. And then you can sell it and make a lot of money if that's what you're going to do, or hold it till the next one, depending on how long your staking is. Right. So, okay. Oh, you can help me. Okay, well, maybe okay for my Arbitrum, because I tried all day, man, or well, before work. Tried all day before work. And then it got to a point where I was like, screw it. I just got $20 in Ethereum Arbitrum because I had Graph. I still have like 50 Graph staking or something on Arbitrum too. I have like 30-40 bucks over there now or something. But yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, that's how you make money. Like Coinbase learn to earn, especially if you use the Coinbase card. Let me just give you a little hint. If you're in the US, or you can use Coinbase and you can use the Coinbase card. Not only do you get rewards in crypto, and I'm not sponsored by Coinbase. I don't care if you go there or not, but I do want to help you make money. So there's that. Not financial advice. So what I'm doing is I'm using the Coinbase card, and I use it for like purchases. If I want to pay my cable bill, if I want to pay a big bill and get a nice chunk of cash back, I'm already paying that bill. It's already coming out of my checking account. What do I get from my checking account? Nothing. So I might as well use my Coinbase card and get crypto cash back. And then what's the point of that? Okay, I get crypto cash back. Well, it seems like I just got another one on there that gave me $12 in VeChain. That's another one that was on. Oh, let me tell you about that one real quick before we end. Where is my VeChain wallet now? VWorld. They gave me like $12 in VeChain just the other day. And I think it's because I use my Coinbase card. They used to give me like $3. Oh, here's $3. Learn about the graph. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll take $3. But now it's like, yeah, see, I still have 96 vet in the wallet. Because why not, man? It's like $2 now. They get, and the other 10 I sold. I'm not gonna lie, sold that, and I kept $2 of it, free money. And then I got the Vara today for $24. And then the Arbitrum, which I wasted $3 in Ethereum on that one. I'm not gonna lie. So 2 big winners. One, I still got $20, $30 in Arbitrum, whatever. I don't know. But anyway, have you seen the demo gameplay from Dragon? That's what I saw. No, I haven't, but I want. Is it ready? I thought it. Didn't they say it's coming out tomorrow? Or did it already come out? Okay, if it already came out, that's my bad. So 2020. Yeah, it's been. You were one of my first subscribers, bro. You were one of my very first, besides like King Love. Yeah, I think you were like my second moderator, if I think back. Or Justin. It was either you or Justin were second. Man, you guys have been with me forever. Thank you guys. It's on their YouTube too. Go check out Dragon's YouTube. There. Let's go look at that real quick. Just real quick, and then we'll call it a day. But Dragons is fire, man. I always be looking at Dragons. Oh, don't tell me my computer. My computer is having a hard time today. Dragons. ICP. Let's do that one. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I don't know where it is, man. Okay, well, I'll have to look for it later. Let's see. Yeah, we'll have to find that later. Can't find it right now. But I will look for it. I just like I said, I worked 2 jobs today. I'm really tired. I use the rest of my energy for you guys, so I'm like, yeah, no, I follow them. I'll just go look on my list of channels that I follow. I'll find them, or I'll just go onto their Twitter and find it. But yeah, we'll get to that. I think we'll do it on our next episode. We're getting an hour into it, so but I do want to talk about it. I want to play it, so maybe we'll do that Friday morning. That's only one day, and then 10 a.m. So it's not even 2 full days. Got you. All right, guys. That being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bam!